Circa 1886, Victorian Stick-Eastlake, a perfectly modern style of the day featuring the angular carpentry and intricate wood detail that ornament this fine red brick home. Like a work of art that stand the test of time with original mantles, richly restored woodwork, balusters, built-ins and box beam ceilings warm the interior. The authentic historic architecture meets modern luxury as we step into the fitting yet totally modern gourmet kitchen, quite appropriate, knowing the builder of the home, Prussian-born Charles Bekurs, was a successful restaurateur in early Parkersburg. The grand rooms are inviting to seek refuge or to entertain, with first floor including the parlor, family parlor, library and banquet-sized dining room. Conveniently, the laundry is off the kitchen on the first floor. The second floor boasts a beautifully updated master bath, 5 bedrooms, an additional hall bath and a walk-in closet. Full-size stairs to attic storage. Basement is painted and clean with several workrooms, one including a commercial-size 3-bin stainless sink, once used in winemaking. Of special interest is a unique and lovely wine cellar/tasting room with built-in wine racks and sideboard. The exterior offers an inviting large front porch, upper-level balcony, back patio for entertaining, raised garden beds, single-car carriage house, and double-car parking pad. Restored, maintained, updated, a part of a strong, active community, this is your refuge.